Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make chicken kebab in oven, and don't forget to watch this video till the end. So to start without wasting much time, I'm going to add 2.5 spoons of yogurt in my mixing bowl. Next I will go ahead to add in my seasonings. Here I have a ginger powder, cardamom powder, white onion, garlic powder. I also have here my mixed seasoning herbs. I'll also go ahead and add paprika, dried thyme, curry powder, chicken stock cube, salt, and finally I'm going to go ahead to add in my fresh blended chili and also my lemon juice. You can also use dried chili if you wish, but I like to use fresh blended chili because it gives a chicken kebab a very nice and unique taste. So after adding all my seasonings, I'll go ahead to use a spatula to mix and make sure I combine everything together. So guys, these are the chicken which I'm going to be using today. I've already washed and pat them dried with my kitchen towel. I'm using a boneless chicken thighs and also chicken breast. So next I'm going to go ahead to add them in my mixed yogurt and spices, and I'll also add some onions in it. Then I'll go ahead to mix with my hand. After that, I'm going to wrap with a cling film and place it in my refrigerator for at least 4 hours. So 4 hours later, I'm going to go ahead to unwrap my marinated chicken now. So these are the skewers which I'm going to be using to secure my chicken. I've already soaked them in cold water for at least 3 hours, and make sure you don't forget to soak your skewers in cold water to prevent them from burning when you start roasting your chicken. So I'm going to now go ahead to thread the marinated chicken, onion and bell peppers onto the skewers now. Keep on repeating the same process until you finish the whole marinated chicken. And please, my amazing viewers, support my channel. If you like what I'm doing, support this channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker, and also join my YouTube membership to become part of this amazing family, and also to see all my exclusive videos whenever I upload them. So next I'm going to go ahead to place and arrange my chicken on my oven rack. While doing this, make sure your oven is on to preheat it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So after I'm done arranging my chicken kebab on my oven rack, I'm going to go ahead to place it in my preheat oven and let it bake or roast for at least 25 to 30 minutes. And make sure you rotate the oven rack twice in between the baking time for even cooking. So 25 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to take out my chicken kebab from the oven. If your chicken is not yet done, you can still cook it for few minutes. So finally guys, this is my chicken kebab. This is what it looks like. You can serve with any dip sauce of your choice. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe after watching this video. Also like and share this video. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.